Sikwathulela zona ukusuka emzimkhulu wezokuhatha indaba eAuckland Park eJohannesburg. Asiqalele izikhamba phambili namhlanje.
The Democratic Alliance shares the concern that the ad hoc committee is not moving fast enough. We have warned before that the limited time will most likely catch up with us.
Ezinye zenhlangano zepolitiki eParliament zithi kuyabathwenya ukuriyada kokuthoma kwekomishini kwamadlanga ephenya ubukhohlakala emapholiseni nekambisweni yezomthetho. Zithi lokho kuleyane yabo ikambiso.
Made it clear that the dockets should be returned to the stations of origin. So what that means for the stations of origin is that it must go back to KZN.
General Shadrack Sibiya uthi akhange aqaphele emadokethini wokulwisana nokubulawa kwabosopolitiki esifundeni saKwaZulu-Natal uthi yena uzifunela ukubuyiselwa emsebenzini kwaphela.
Sithabe khulu sithabela iproject le.
Now that imine izokuvulwa, we are hoping ukuthi people bazokhona ukuthi basebenze.
Izakhamuzi zithabele ukuvula kwemayini ekhiqiza amalahle ngemva kokuvalwa nyakenye. Izakhamuzi zithi ziyokuzuza khulu.
Money can be made every day, but what you bring on the field, it's just that opportunity that you get, and it's just to make sure that they really honed into what they're supposed to do on the day.
iProteas imemezele isiqhema secricket sabadlali abasikazi abali-15 abayokujamela eSouth Africa emidlalweni yebhigiri ICC Women's World Cup. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa izindaba kodwa kweSABC1 ngesindebele noChani Makhaya. Ezinye zenhlangano zepolitiki zithi zithwenyekile ngokuriyada kwekomiti yesikhatshana yeParliament ephenya insolo ngokungakhambi ngefanele kwekambiso yezomthetho yelizweli. Insolo zivezwa ngukomishara wamapholisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi nakakhuluma nembiki indaba ngovela Bahlinze. Ikomiti yeParliament bekulindeleke ukuthi ithome ngomsebenzi wayo ivekele kodwa nayithi batsho iriyadisiwe indaba yokubizwa kwabofakazi abazokwethula ubufakazi.
Njengombana ikomishini yezomthetho kaMadlanga iriyada nje nekomishini ephenyawo yeParliament nayo iyariyada. Ngemva kwemihlangano emithathu ikomiti le ivumelene ngomthetho ozokusebenzisana. Abofakazi esele baqinisekiswe ikomiti nguLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi kuye noNgqongqotjhe waphambilini wamapholisa uBhekicele. Kuthiwa batsho nesekela likakomishinara wamapholisa elijanyisiwe kwemsebenzini uGeneral Shadrack Sibiya naye uzokwethula ubufakazi phambi kwekomiti yeParliament ngeveke ezako ngelesithathu. Kodwana amanye amalunga weParliament athi asolinga suthi nendaba yeveke ezako leyo angeze yaphumelela.
The technical team are busy, we are told, with the witnesses, to get dates, but indeed this shows serious incompetency from the commencement itself, and I think we can do better than that.
Nayo iveze indaba yokuthi isikhathi sincane khulu ukuthi ikomiti le ingaqeda umsebenzi wayo.
The Democratic Alliance shares the concern that the ad hoc committee is not moving fast enough. We have warned before that the limited time will most likely catch up with us, and it is increasingly looking like this is now happening. For the DA, it is crucial that the committee complete its work thoroughly and on time, because we cannot afford for this process to remain unfinished.
The committee umulapi lekhanyane ubhalile ukuphendula mayelana nendaba le. Ilanga lokugcina lokuthi ikomiti yeParliament ilethe umbiko phambi kweParliament kusekupheleni kwakaSewula.
Isekela likakomishana wamapholisa uLieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya uthi utshitshila ukujanyiswa kwakhe emsebenzini okungasemthethweni isikhulu sakhe ukomishana wamapholisa uGeneral Fani Masemula ngovela Bahlinze. Usibiya ngaphambi kokujanyiswa kwakhe bekadosa phambili isiqhema samapholisa abofokisi iPolice Crime Detection kanti kusola ukuthi uqaphele emsebenzini wesiqhema esiphenya ukubulawa kwabosopolitiki.
Isekela kaCommissioner wamapholisa uLieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya uthi ukulinde ngabovu ukuvela ngaphambi kwekomiti yeParliament ephenya ukuqaphela kwabosopolitiki emapholiseni ubukhohlakali nokubhalela kwenza umsebenzi wamapholisa.
I'll wait for my time to comment at the ad hoc and at the commission. I will be able to open up and say what I think needs to be said.
Usibiki uphikisa izinsolo zokuthi uqaphele umsebenzi wesiqhema samapholisa esiphenya ukubulawa kwabosopolitiki KwaZulu-Natal.
When an information note was asking for financial assistance for the investigation costs, I made it clear that the dockets should be returned to the stations of origin. So what that means for the stations of origin is that it must go back to KZN. And so General Mkhwanazi in the replying affidavit says, I admit the allegation. Sorry, General Sibiya in the replying affidavit says, I admit the allegation. This is at 004-55. He says, I admit the allegations in this paragraph. I have explained that Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi refused to allow the dockets back into KZN. The National Commissioner does not dispute this fact. And he doesn't, because what he says is, the National Commissioner says at 003-43, I gave the instruction that they go back to the station of origin, and Sibiya in the founding affidavit and the replying affidavit tells you that's what I tried to do, but Mkhwanazi prevented that from happening.
Isahlulelo sekhotho sigodliwe ngecaleni.
Uhulumende wesifunda seGauteng uthi angeke avumele ukuthiliswa ngilabo abazithathela inaga ngokungemthetho esifundeni esi. Undunankulu wesifunda uPanyaza Lesufi uthi eninyangeni ezimbalwa ezakwezi bazokuthoma ngamajima okususa abantu abazakhele imikhahlana ngokungemthetho endaweni zombuso. uLesufi ugandelele ukuthi siyanda isibalo sabantu abazithathela inaga kaHulumende ngokungemthetho nabasuka lapho bafune ukunikelwa insiza ezivela kuHulumende.
Ngokutsho kukandunankulu uPanyaza Lesufi, kuvumbuke indawo zemikhahlana ezitsha ezibalele emakhulwini amane eGauteng enyangeni ezimbalwa ezidlulileko. uLesufi usola ubulelesi obuhleliweko ukuthi ngibo obenza ukuthi abantu bazithathele inaga ngekani.
We come to you to declare that unfortunately there are going to be unprecedented number of evictions and dismantling of informal settlement in our province. The number of informal settlements that are mushrooming even in our urban areas and in some areas within our cities is now reaching at disturbing levels, and we have no choice but to fight back and push back those that have taken advantage of the legal gaps that are available within this sector.
Izehlakalo zamba nje zokubulawa kwabosopolitiki nazo zisesemraro. uLesufi uthi sele bathomile ukuqinisekisa ukuthi kusungulwa isiqhema esiyokuphenya ukubulawa kwabosopolitiki emvekeni ezine ezizako. Babantu abama-79 ababhubhako emakhweni usindiso eJohannesburg ngesikhathi umakhiwo lo utsha. Lokhu kwabangela ukuthi kusungulwe ikomishini ephenyako. Uhulumende uyamkele imiphumela evezwe ikomishini le.
The investigation challenges the common assumptions that hijacked buildings are the primary problem. Evidence shows that only a small minority, 5.7%, of properties had allegations of rent collection by non-owners. The crisis is in-state driven by extreme poverty and a severe lack of affordable housing, forcing people into unsafe living conditions.
Uhulumende wesifunda kulindeleke ukuthi athome isigaba esilandelako sehlelo iNasispani ekulihlelo elihlomisa ngamakhono ofundwa.
Abanikazi benkampani ezithutha impahla baqalene nesitshijilo sokuthi bathuthukise inthuthi zabo ukuthi bahlomule ibhizinisi yokuthutha amalahle eMpumalanga. Ungqongqoshe wezenjiwa nembaseli uGwede Mantashe uba wabanikazi bamatrogo ukuthi bafumane indlela ezitsha zokuthuthela amalahle entechini eziphehla igezi. uMantashe bekakhuluma eminyanyeni wokuthwaya ukwenjiwa kwamalahle lokuthoma estechini esiphehla igezi eMooifontein eMiddelburg.
Ukuvuselelwa kwemayini eyemba amalahle iArnott. Imayini le ikhiqize amalahle wokuthoma ngemva kweminyaka eli-10 ngasebenzi. Imayini le yafakwa ngaphasi kwehlelo lokuhlangulwa kwamabhizinisi ngo-2015 ngemva kokuba nemiraro yezemali nezinye intshijilo. Njenganje abasebenzi baphambilini bekhampani le banezabelo zemali elinganiselwa ku-50% emayini le.
Currently, we have a total of about 350 employees. These are employees from the communities and the ex-employees who lost their jobs when the mine closed back in 2016.
Ihlanganisela yenhlangano zabasebenzi iArnott Opco eyajamisa abasebenzi bayo emsebenzini ivule ngobutsha imayini le ngo-2022 Imayini le itlikitle ikontraka yeminyaka eli-10 ne-Eskom ukuphakela ngamalahle esiteshini esiphehla igezi i-Arnott.
What gave me more assurance was the open cast. Because when there's open cast and there's coal, then you know that there's life. The BRP practitioner is quite convinced that it will be saved, it's going well, it's growing.
Umphakathi uthabe khulu ngokuvula kwemayini le.
Now that imayini izokuvulwa, we are hoping ukuthi people bazokhona ukuthi basebenze, bakhona ukondla imindeni yabo, bakhona ukubhadalela abantwana ezikolweni.
Nje ukuthi semphakathi weArnott namaphethelo sithabe khulu, sithabela iproject le ukuthi iArnott Opco ithole impilo iyavuka futhi iyabuya namhlanje izokubereka.
Ukusebenza kwemayini le kuphungule indleko zenthuthi kunye nokuvikelwa kwebhoduluko. Abanikazi bamatrogo bakhuthazwa ukuthi bafumane ezinye indlela zokuthi bazuze emayini le.
Nasibuya entolo.
Ihloso ukuthi sibhale incwadi le ukuthi sifuna ukuprotecta noma ukonga umlando owenzekako la kwaNdebele. History okuhlala ukukhulunywa ngayo but asiboni ibhalwe phasi.
Abahloli bencwadi ngomlando wakwaNdebele bathi basikinyiswe kuhlayela kwencwadi ezikhuluma ngokwenzekako ngomhla ka-1986 esabelweni sakwaNdebele. Lokho kuzokudima isizukulwane esisako ilwazi. Sisaraga ndaba lapha mbukele kanti nazi kuphundileko yazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Ihlangano engasebenzeli inzuzo iJewett Multipurpose Organization enzinze kumasipalata weDr JS Morocco iyethule incwadi ebizwa nge-1986 kwaNdebele Independence Resistance eKing Nyabela Building kwaMhlanga eMpumalanga. Incwadi le ikhuluma ngekhambo lesitshaba samaNdebele lokufika kwaNdebele nangomguruguru omkhulu owaphehuka kwaNdebele ngo-1986 wokulwisana noMazibuse ekhabe ahlongoza ngesikhathi ezo. Ihlangano le ithi incwadi le kubikwe ngayo ukufundisa isitshaba nesizukulwana esisako ngomlando wesabelo sakwaNdebele. Umbiki ndaba we-SABC uComfort Masombuka usihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Ilanga ebelishisa likhuphu nomdakana ngemgodini akhangela isitshaba ukukhambela lomnyanya wokwethula incwadi ebizwa ngokuthi 1986 kwaNdebele Independence Resistance. Hlangana nabanye abebalapho kundunankulu waphambilini weMpumalanga undaweni Mahlangu ekhaba khona nakucabinet yombuso wesabelo sakwaNdebele. Usomkhandlu walokho wezefundo eMpumalanga begodo ke wabamzenda weSouth Africa eTunisia uSipho Sezwe Masango kanye nelunga lalokho leParlamente begodo lakhe laba ngokommissionera wezamalungelo obuntu uJonas JB Sibanyoni. Umpitori Hlowu uthi bona njengehlangano iJewett Multipurpose Organization ngencwadi le babe ngokucocela isizukulwane esizako umlando khona ungazi ukufelela.
Ukuthi sibhale incwadi le ukuthi sifuna ukuprotecta noma ukonga umlando owenzekako la kwaNdebele. Nokhumula kuhle kwaNdebele kwakhe kwaba ne-uprising lapho khona abantu abaningi balahlekana imiphefumulo, abanye balahleka thina emakhaya, amabhizinisi achiswa. So ihistory so ihistory okuhlala kukhulunywa ngayo but asiboni ibhalwe phasi.
Zonke inkhulumi zithonga lisilinye bona qakatheke khulu ukubuthelelwa komlando wesitshaba ugadangiswe ubulungelo isizukulwane esizako.
Isitshaba esikhohlwa umlando waso kufana nokuthi sizikhohlwa sona ngokwaso. Ngesikhuwa bathi a nation that forgets its history is just like forgetting itself.
Also if ifundwe babantu who are already lecturers Emma University and other scholars ngoba sinikeza first iletha umlando lawyer mara also ithatha umlando lawyer interprete ngendlela efaneleko nendlela engcono ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuzwisisa into le.
Loba indleko libalulekile ukuthi umlando lo waziwe mara waziwe ngendlela ehlakaniphileko. Assess noma analyze ungathi ngoba kwaliyo ngoba nepi nawe ufuna ukuvusenya nje ibe into yokuthi into ebayenza abalwe leya ingaphindeka ni nezinto bathi bazozabanga ukulokho ungaziphinda ukuzukulokhu kube khona njengaphakathi kwedemocracy sesibantwana beSouth Africa sonke.
Bejuwet bathi bafuna bona incwadi le isabalala ifike esitshabeni nemabulungelweni wencwadi begodi bathi bazokuhlela nomnyango wezefundo ukwenzela ukuthi incwadi le ifakwe enkolweni. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguComfort Masombuka ngikubikela ngise-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Sibawa benhliziyo ezibuthakathaka bangabukeli. Abantu abaningi bathwenyekile ekhulu ngobudlapha nokungenzi umsebenzi ngefanele Witbank General Hospital eMalahleni eMpumalanga. Hlangana nezehlakalo ezibikweko esibhedlela leseminyakeni edluleko kusikwa budlapha kwenguli. Izehlakalo eziningi ezibikweko zihlotshaniswa nokubelethwa kunye nokusetshenziswa ngekambiso ukusika engakafaneli. Kanti inguli eziningi khulukhulu aboma zisele zibuthakathaka empilweni ngonobangela wobudlapha besibhedlela.
Ngosinyikaba ka-2023 uThabile Choma wayozihlolisa esibhedlela. Kwatholakala ukuthi i-high blood yakhe iphezulu khulu wagijinyiselwe wodini lokubeletha ngokusikwa.
Uthubile barking intestine. Yes, uje garoka ahlakantsha lilana linama.
Uma wabantwana ababili lo oneminyaka ema-31 ubudala uthi kwanje sekabhalelwa ukukhamba ibanga elide begodu akakhona ukuguga izinto ezibudisi nokwenza umsebenzi waqobelelanga. Njenganje uthethe isiqundo sokuthi ufuna ukuhlawulisa isibhedlela.
For nak nataba kusanataba because even limama kunalo mbutha vele ukuphilela abantu for nanje buphila busalona.
Omunye umma naye uphila ngenhlungu. Uthi batsho wona isibeletho neziso zakhe. Naye wabelethwa ngokusika ngo-2014 khona isibhedlela seWitbank.
Angikhona ukuya etoilet, angisakhona ukuzihambela, angikhona ukuzisebenzela, angisakhona nax. Sengumuntu ukuthi ngichama kaningi. Ebusuku ngivuka kaningi, emini ngichama kaningi.
Abomama ababili aba akusibo bodwa bonakalelwe impilo yabo. UNomsamashiyane kwafanele ukuthi asikwa amahlandla ambalwa ngobudlapha besibhedlela.
Mangifika le general la bangithatha isampula la nebeleni bathi ngilanda ama result ngezi-10 August. Ngaphindela mangiphindela lana bathi ama result wami bathalahlekile baphinde futhi bangikhatha futhi. Manje ebusuku angilande bangipha ama pain block kuphela.
Incwadi zesibhedlela zikaChoma noHlophe zinyamalele emarekhodini wesibhedlela. Umnyango wezempilo eMpumalanga uqalene namacala abiza amabhiliyoni wamaranda.
Kuba khona amaphutha kodwa abasebenzi bethu ba committed ukuthi uma kube khona liphutha bese liyalungiseka. So ke singasho sisi department ma claim la sicabanga ukuthi angaba khona ala maybe ko 7.3 billion.
Umnyango lo ukandelela ukuthi wonke amacala wobudlapha ayaphenywa kanti abasebenzi abathindekako bazokuthathelwa amagadanga afaneleko.
Asikale umbono wakho mbukeli ngendaba ephelayo le naku uyalandela. Umbono ngeyombukele SABC ayizukuthweswa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Kezemali ranta liqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Kezemidlalo iProteas imemezele isiqhema secricket sabadlali abasikazi abali-15 abayokujamela iSouth Africa emidlalweni yebhigiri ye-ICC Women's World Cup eyokudlalelwa e-India na Sri Lanka ekupheleni kwenyanga le eskiyo le.
Yehelweni labadlali beProteas kileli hlandla ukhona Tasmin Brits, Sinalo Jafta, Marizen Ka, Nonkulelo Mlaba, Masabata Class, noTumi Sikhukhune.
Subcontinent is key as to how we select our squad. We have looked at the conditions. We also got feedback from some of the players that were part of the IPL and also tracking some of the results that were happening and the conditions of those wickets.
Isiqhema sokuthumba ibhigiri yephasi siyokhamba nemali emaranta azingidi ezima-80.
Money can be made every day, but what you bring on the field is just that opportunity that you get. And it's just to make sure that they really honed into what they're supposed to do on the day. Those things will come.
Siyokuvula umdlalo wayo wokuthoma neEngland amalangana kamathathu kuSewula eGuwahati eIndia. Asihlole ngekwekwezini ukuthi abazumi bazume njani.
Siyathokoza Cedric Silotshisa umbukelo khona usekhaya kungolosithathu namhlanje hlangana nendaba esiziphetheko ke enambama namhlanje bikwa ukuthi usagcinwe emaseleni sekela likahlokokulu lapha eBronkhorstspruit Primary yensolo zokuthi ukatile ngale kwalokho ke umnyango wezokuhlengwa wesimilo kuvela ukuthi batsho uvakatshele abamachuma amabili nethoba 29 laba abanikelwe iparole ngezihlangana nezinye ke esiziphetheko enambama namhlanje khona lapha ukwekwezi FM.
Indaba zesizulu ziyalandela ke awale khomba kanti kusasa zikhona indaba zeSwati ngesikhathi esifanako. Isale nomusa.